Let's create a floating text box that is linked to cells. If I go to Insert, Text, and do a drop down, notice that text is gray because I need to unlock this sheet. This sheet has been protected and the password is here. So I'm going to go to the Review tab, Unprotect Sheet, and type in the password, and OK. And now let's try to add the text box again. Insert, Text, and now we can add a text box. And let's start by drawing a text box about this size. And let's say that we want this text box linked to this cell, and that is cell G1. We can see over here at the top left. So for the I'm going to click on the text box to select it. So the formula for that text box is equal G1. Press enter, and notice how it matches. And now I want the next text box to be the same size, so I'll tap Control C for copy, Control V for paste, and let's line it up. So this cell will be H1, so I'll change that G to an H. And let's copy the text box once again, Control C, Control V, and in this box I want F2. So in the formula I'll tap F2, and for the next box I want G2. Let's copy that box again, Control C, Control V, we'll move it here, and this is equal G2. And now we'll speed this up a little bit. Now that I have all my text boxes created, I'm going to select them all and then group them together. In order to select them, I'm going to select one by left clicking, and then I'm going to hold down the Shift key and left click on all of them. Then I'll click the Format tab, Group, and then Group to group all of them together. And let's see if we grabbed all of them. I'm going to try to move the whole thing. Yep, I got them all. And now notice how they can float. Actually, I missed one here, the 105. So I'm going to leave the main thing selected and then select this one that I missed. Then I'll group again. And now it should all move together. And it does. And I can move this around anywhere on my sheet. And if anything changes, it should update just like this would. Let's change something here. And notice how the information updated. And if you wanted to further format this text box, you can click the contextual format. We can go to Shape Fill. And notice we can give it a background. We could change the outline. We could even change the text color. And if we happen to scroll down our sheet, then we could just use our left click on our mouse to grab it and move it with us on the sheet. And of course, we could spend a little bit more time getting this all lined up to look a little better.